Guys, welcome to EV channel. Here comes another brand new video on the Volvo. Hit the subscribe. You don't want to miss out on any of my Volvo videos coming up. And today we're getting ready, so get towed to the car shop. So basically, guys, next coming up Monday, when I'm gonna be working, is coming up to the car shop. So it's gonna have to get towed to the car shop on Monday. There's only one guy in the area, in Spartanburg area, that actually does it, and he's in Fountain Inn. So hopefully you can figure out what exactly is wrong with it and get it going. If you watched my previous video, I replaced the gaskets on here, guys. So now I'm gonna just put back the oil filters, and you know, I mean the oil filters, the air filters on, because mechanics do one problem. Well, put the air filters back on her. Now she's ready to run and roll. Well, not run, but get ready to go shop. Why I put those air filters back is because mechanics, you leave them in the truck, you're not gonna put the air filters back. So whatever they take apart, they gotta put exactly back. So I did all I could on my end. Time to go get a tow truck. Oh, she's back on the trailer now. Monday she's going to the shop. So guys, I want to do a quick report on what's going on with my Volvo PV544. This guy Michael at this shop, he said in all the years he's been working on cars and all the years he's been working on these Volvos, it's completely never what he has seen before, ever. What's going on is, guys, he fixed the firing order, he checked out the distributor, checked it out, cleaned it out, set the points properly, checked everything in the car, still ran rough, and it was backfiring him. He couldn't figure out why it's backfiring him. He went to the carburetors, he figured out it's the carburetors, went to the carburetors, and inside the carburetors there is a valve or something that opens and closes, and it was stuck half open because of gunk in there, which made the car think it was driving when in reality it wasn't. So he cleaned out all the gunk, and now it works perfectly fine. He also cleaned out all the rust that he found in my fuel balls, and now it runs perfectly fine. Other than the fact it hesitates sometimes on the highway. With that being said, guys, he's gonna drive it now, testing it, and he's trying to make it run perfectly fine with no hesitation. So that's the update. Hey guys, so driving to the shop that's taking care of my Volvo, because we need the old distributor cap back on the car. And why, you may ask? Because the new one is loose and may be causing the car to hesitate.
Right here.
Well, guys, she is back, officially back. I still got a few plans for her to do to her, like you'll see if you subscribe to this channel. But she's back, she's riding good, she has power, she's running smooth, and I'm excited. So I plan to probably sell her, but we'll see. So basically, here's what happened. So guys, the reason why it was running rough like that is because inside the SU carburetors there sits a valve or I guess a throttle. So they have a throttle inside of a throttle, and the throttle linkage there on the inside of the SU carburetor, according to this mechanic, said it was gunked up and stuck in the open position, which meant that the car thought whenever you started her up that it was running at wide open throttle. So he fixed that up, set the points correctly, did the ignition correctly. Now she's running smooth, and it took him a couple weeks to do it, but I only paid $300 for this. I highly recommend this guy if you can get a hold of him, because he's extremely busy. There you have it, guys. She's all fixed up. Subscribe to see what else I'll do with her. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package
driving attempt on the 6 Series.